Make a great choice today with the 2017 Jeep Renegade. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, electronic parking brake, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.